1, 2, 3. The moon belongs to everyone. The best things in life are free. The stars belong to everyone. They gleam there for you and me. The flowers in spring, the robins that sing, the sunbeams that shine, they're yours, they're mine, and love can come to everyone. The best things in life are free.
Today's video is brought to you by El Sol y la Luna Coffee and Tea, featuring teas grown by us and coffee roasted by John here. The sun and the moon are free, but our coffee and tea are not. Let us know if you'd like a bag.
The flowers in spring, the robins that sing, the sunbeams that shine, they're yours, they're mine, and love can come to everyone. The best things in life are free. Hello, YouTube Ukers. I just have a couple of footnotes for you on the best things in life are free. I walked down the initial chords that you'll see. So G, G major 7, G6. Okay, and then that actually works really well to get to the B flat diminished chord you have on the first line. The only other notes I have for you that seem to make more sense to me is on the second line down, I moved to the D7 chord 2 measures early on every one. So in your music you can find that. Other than that, it's all about the same. Hope you enjoyed today's video. The flowers in spring, the robins that sing,